30-year-old Shanghai resident Cao Junjie says his hobby is working on design and innovation. Now he's putting that pastime to work, developing a baby safety pod to protect his 2-month-old child from the coronavirus.
This baby safety pod is modified from a cat carrier backpack. It has an electronic fan system. It can offer a totally isolated environment for going out. It can provide a safe and comfortable environment for the baby.
The fan system sends purified air into the pod, and a monitor measures air quality and carbon dioxide levels. A rubber glove lets him and his wife feed or soothe their baby as they carry him around. These days, innovators around the world are inventing or adapting products to help fight the coronavirus pandemic or just make life easier for people navigating new rules of separation and isolation.
My name is Joe Coover. I'm a local magician here in Oklahoma City, and yeah, I've had a lot of downtime recently, so I've tried to keep busy.
For this 35-year-old professional magician, keeping busy has meant repurposing his 3D printer. Instead of using it to print out props for his magic tricks, he's now using it to print out face masks. It's slow going. Each one takes more than 3 hours, but he says he wants to help where he can and is looking at other ways to contribute.
This is what people are asking for right now, but as people's illnesses progress, our ventilator shortage is going to become more acute, and if we use ventilator splitters, none of this is a perfect fix, but it will, in the short term, give us 4 times the amount of processing.
In the Czech Republic, an inexpensive swimming mask is getting a retrofit, transforming into a high-grade protective device for medical workers and others. A team from the Czech Technical University in Prague and the volunteer platform COVID19.cz came up with the idea of printing out a connector and adding a military-grade filter.
This all-face mask functions as an improvised protective device for the respiratory system. It covers your eyes and protects the respiratory system. You breathe through a P3R particulate filter.
They've already distributed thousands of masks to frontline medical staff like doctors at Motol Teaching Hospital. Hospital officials say the mask lets people work and breathe easily. The mask can also be sterilized and reused, and the filters last a long time. In Mexico, a medical technology firm came up with a way to safely transport patients with coronavirus or other infectious diseases using a little reverse engineering.
We work based on our experience from years before, where we had modules for neonatal intensive care for newborn babies. And now this is very similar, but is designed for an adult.
The sealed flexible chamber uses a HEPA filter system to keep it inflated. In addition to being used to transport patients, it can give small hospitals without isolation wards a place to hold patients until they can be moved to a better equipped facility. These are just some of the ways companies, innovators, and even magicians are conjuring up solutions to problems we never imagined we would be facing. Sargent,